All right, boys and girls, so today you're going to be working on your Envision book, page 873. We're going to talk about this a little bit, and I'm going to help you through, and then you're going to do some of this work by yourself. Students were asked to name their favorite type of dog. The picture graph shows the results of the survey. So here's a Beagle, here's a Collie, Shepherd, Poodle, Dalmatian. Now, each of those are types of dogs. Now, remember, I told you this is the most important, crucial, very, 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 very important is the key. So each dog stands for 2. Now, remember what Miss Jordan told you guys. If there's no number out beside here, what do you have to do? That's right, you have to figure out what it is. What can I count by? It would be easiest just to count by 2s. So let's go and count by 2s. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, oh, what's half? Look, half of 1 equals 1 vote. So if that's 2, 4, that's going to be 5, 2, and 4. Okay? Now it says some of the conclusions you can draw from the picture graph include the shepherd was chosen by exactly 5 students. See it right here? Was chosen by 5 students. The Beagle was chosen by 2 more students than the Dalmatian. So I can look here and see, okay, the Beagle was 6. And then I had 4 Dalmatians. If I'm trying to find difference, I would get 2. 2 more Beagles. Okay, the Collie was chosen by the most students because I have a 10, okay? So let's go down here below. I'm not working all of these out with you. I'm only gonna work some of them out because it's very important and crucial that you do this by yourself because you guys need practice. The data table shows how many points a football team scored. How many points were scored all together? So that means you need to add all those scores together to get this number, okay? What's one conclusion that you draw from the table? So you can actually put in the blank quarter the Rams, because look, I'm looking here, the Rams scored the most points. So you're going to do that work. You're going to determine what has the most points, okay? Write a word problem that's different. Okay, you're going to have to do that. So you can actually write, let's go ahead and see. I would like you guys to write, let's see. How many more points were scored during the first quarter than, remember I put than because I am comparing, than the second quarter. Okay? Make a bar graph or pictograph to represent the data below. Remember, you can make a bar graph. I want you guys to make a bar graph. We won't even worry about a pictograph. Now I'm going to start off with first quarter, first, second, third, fourth. What can I label on the side? What could be my key? What could I count by? You're exactly right. We could just count by 1s, but it's going to be kind of small. So let's go and count by 2s, okay? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, okay? You are going to can create the rest of the bar graph by yourself. So now this is the back. This is page 874, okay? It says which type of shoes were sold least. The least. How do you know? Well, I can look over here and tell you which one was sold the least. Okay? That you just have to look. How many more pairs of boots than pumps were sold at Just Shoes? So right here, you need to write boots and you need to write pumps. How many more? So that means you're going to subtract. So you're going to write the number of pumps here and the number of boots here and then subtract. But you also need to pay close attention because down here the key says each one of these shoes represents 4 pairs and a half equals 2 pairs. So you better be prepared to work that out. Okay, number 7. How many more students received an A or a B on tests 1 and 2 than 3 and 4? Here, you're going to add 1 and 2 together. You're going to add 3 and 4. Okay? So 1 and 2 minus 3 and 4. That's how you're going to get your answer. Okay? Again, look here. I don't have numbers either for this. I'll do the first one for you. You're going to count by 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16. You need to fill out the rest. Again, I will do this with you, but what are they counting by every time here? That's right, they're counting by 2s. So I'm going to go ahead and do this one because this one's off a little bit. So this one is going to be 9. Okay, you're going to do the rest. How many cars were washed all together? You're going to add all of these numbers up to find out all together. How many cars? You're going to add the whole amount. Which grades each wash less than 12 cars? You better find 12. And everybody that washed less than 12, you better write that. Would 6th grade be on there? Yes or no? No, because that's equal to 12. You can actually see that's exactly 12 cars. So that one can't be it. Number 10 and 11, you're going to do by yourself. All right, if y'all guys have any questions, comments, concerns, always email me, text me, whatever you guys need to do. This work needs to be completed today. You guys got this. Tomorrow, we're going to start reviewing because on Monday, you will have a test over data. Okay? All right, ladies and gentlemen, have a great day.